Okay, so now that I finally have all the stuff I want working, I'm gonna be playing like an actual run now, instead of just prismatic trials. So, big question is, who do I want to play? Who do I want to play in the first, like, actual video? Let's do Loader. Loader's a pretty fun character. I'm pretty sure I got Thunder Gauntlet on, so yeah. Yep, I do have Thunder Gauntlet on. I can already hear some specific Terraria veterans going, wow, you made Thunder Gauntlet cringe. Okay, and away I go with already almost enough cash for 2 chests. Lux crystal, maybe? Oh, of course. Worst item. Thank you, game. I mean, wait a minute. What is that? Oh boy, I can print my personal shield generator into a personal shield generator. How convenient. Thank you, game. Okay, back. That's actually pretty nice. Okay, that was almost. That could have been cool. Then it just wasn't. So, oh hey, that's Stone Golem over there. Hello, Stone. Ooh, nice. Armor piercing rounds, that is pretty helpful. As long as I don't get bored of many everything. Oh, and I actually have cash now. Nice. That was not exactly what I meant to do, but it worked out how I meant for it to work out, so that works. Okay. Let's knock you out. Knock you. I'm gonna try to do the speedrun thing. Okay. So like, bop, bop. Okay, not exactly, but that's still. Or I think that might have been actually exactly what it was. So hey, nice. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now and I'd best be heading out now because it's about time for the teleport. Also, that is very lucky. I almost never actually get like 2 items in a row on the chance shot. I mean, well, I want to try for 3. I want to see if I can get 3 for 3. I'm the character that can fly. I'll just. Or actually, well, lesser withdraw here, so I can just. Nice. Okay. Well, I didn't get 3 for 3. So away I go. At least I'm gonna get 2 rare items, so that's pretty good. Okay, big rocks. Can't get hit by big rock if I'm behind another big rock. Yeah, I'm pretty good with loaders, so doing pretty well. Oh my god, 2 bands. 2 Kajaros. Ooh. Ooh. That is very good. That is 600% more damage on my big punch. So, oh boy. Well, I guess it's overtime, so it's not quite as good as if it was over knowledge, but it's still really good, so I ain't complaining. Oh, very good. You know, I need a random topic I can talk about, so this isn't just silence. So, What can I ramble on about for like 40 minutes while playing Risk of Rain 2? Let's talk about why Personal Shield Generator is bad. So, Personal Shield Generator is a really bad item because it gives you 8% more health, although it gives it that health to you as shield. And shield is really good if you can have mostly shield as your health, which is in fact something you can do with a specific item. I don't currently have that item, but that is Transcendence. If you get Transcendence, that's a really good item. And it makes all of your health shield, well, all but one of your health shield, so you don't die. And, like, that's really good, because the heals faster after about 7 seconds of you taking no damage. So why is Personal Shield Generator bad? That is because Personal Shield Generator only gives you 8% extra health, instead of like all of your health, with a 50% boost, actually. Like, the, Transcendence does. It's just 8%, as well as it gets rid of your one-hit shot protection, which you can see the one-shot protection is the little kind of the little kind of, I don't know exactly what it's called, but the kind of lines at the very back of my health that you see kind of on the don't cross three-state kind of thing. Yeah, it's that at the back of my health. It makes it so that even if there's something that would deal more than enough damage to kill me, it won't actually kill me. Oh boy, second Personal Shield Generator. Yeah, what Personal Shield Generator does is it makes it so that, it gets rid of your one-shot protection if you don't have full shield, even if you have full health. And that is really bad, because it takes 7 seconds to heal, when if you had, like, say, Cautious Slug, or, like, as you can see, these health orbs with Monster Tooth, that would heal a lot faster normally. So, yeah, Personal Shield Generator, bad. Oh, hey, button. And I don't think there was a scrapper on this map, so I can't just trash my Personal Shield Generators. You know, one sec. I gotta go step on this button just to see by, like, a very small chance that if the other button's pushed. Okay, it's not. If the other button was pushed, then I could go beat up the Ronaldo Kajaro and get a second, or third Kajaro's ban and a Ronaldo ban, which, they're both really good. Ronaldo's is the slightly better, because it's just immediately instead of area. Oh wait, Topaz Rouge. That's extra barrier, on top of Barrier the character. I shouldn't be staying here as long as I'm actually staying here, so I best be heading out. And that's another mountain shrine. Game really wants me to fight double bosses today. Oh, that's a Lumen Bud. Oh, I want to tempt and see if I can grab Shaped Glass or like... Oh, there's a scrapper. Okay. Beads of Fealty. Well, guess I'm going to Twisted Scavenger later. Little did I know, I was not going to make it to the Twisted Scavenger. I was instead going to burn in the fiery pits of hell, otherwise known as Abyssal Depths. Die. Okay. Print though, or scrap those. Okay, backup mag, War Banner. War Banner is pretty good if you get high stacks of it, so, yeah, I'll grab a second one of those. And I think I'm gonna hold on to these white scrap, in case I find, like, a couple times. Okay, latency, that's pretty good. In case I find it, just better drifted than Topaz Rouge. Only that's not gonna be in the teleport area. And I need an equip because I don't have one. Yeah, come on. Okay, well, Kajara's gone. And so are you. Okay. Yeah, I definitely have enough for the equipment barrel. Give me this. Ocular Hug. That. Oh, that just boosts my Kajaro's damage by a lot. How, you may ask? I'll show you how. So, press this button. And they're dead. It's that simple. It's that simple. It doubles all damage. So that means I deal double damage on the initial hit, as well as each separate hit deals double damage. Okay, that is like 16% chance for a bandolier drop or whatever. 1 second. Okay, let's try to finish this now. Oh, whoops. There's like 3 war banners around here, jeez. If I got like triple war banner rocked in, I would be like really broken in that one spot. Good job myself. Okay. So yeah, personal shield generator, bad. That's why I got rid of them. Oh, teleporter's done. Let's see. What do I hope I get? Not Score Shakers. There's only one other option, so yeah, Rally Point Delta. Please give me Rally Point Delta. I could grab Prayon if it's not already like way past the point in which I can get Prayon. Oh, it is past the point in which I can get Prayon. So you see that right there, that Greater Wisp. So I don't like Greater Wisps like at all. So it dies. Oh, it didn't actually play that. Oh. As you can see, Greater Wisps are very smart. Also, the main strategy with Stage 3 is just dip. Like, the second you can. Yeah. Oh boy, Magmore. You wanna see how fast this thing is gonna die? Oh, my goodness. Oh, yep, it's going back to the area. Well, it went back in Kajaro's area, so I'm guessing it's fine. And bop it. Come on, Magmore. Come here. Need to punch you one more time. Bop it. Okay. That left him Daisy. Okay, better. Well, that's attack speed, so bop it. You know, I guess attack speed is pretty good since I'm going to be constantly killing things, so that's pretty convenient. Something I should do is actually like, check out and see if there's any 3D printers like worth anything on this stage. If there are, then I might want to save it. Stun grenade, not as loader. And that's like the only one I see. Well. Okay. Okay, so, you know, since I'm going to stage 4, I may as well rant about the fact that I still don't have the stupid frickin' Alloy Worship Unit log. Even though I've been to Siren's Call, well, cleared Siren's Call 94 times, been there 126 times, didn't quite kill it all the time. But if I died, it's either I died to the Alloy Worship Unit or I died at the teleporter. Those are the two options. Oh, Stone Titan. It didn't even hit me. Yeah, I should just pop the and they did, you know. Launch me. That was like 2 inches. Okay, where is the Stone Titan? Oh, there it is. Oh, that was just a little bit too far. Just a little. No, stop. Okay. There we go. Bop. Skill. Let's check out how much the legendary chest is right here. Oh wow, 2,400. That's a lot cheaper than on my Pokemon. Usually it's like 4,000. Yeah, stay on the ground. That's a smart option for you. Yep, be on the ground. Be on the ground. It makes it easier to hit. Okay, that was almost really bad, but it wasn't, so it's fine. Okay. Yoink. Oh, that's 20% chance to just not take damage. That's good. That's another mountain shine. Oh my god. 3 out of the 4 of these stages is gonna have a mountain shine. Jesus. That's a lot of mountain shines. Okay. That's a lunar bud down there. Can I get a transcendence? Oh. Okay, one sec. I don't know how long the effects buff lasts for Ocular HUD, so I'm gonna have to test that. Oh, I think it's like 8 seconds. That's actually really good. Okay. Oh boy. So that's 22 seconds of downtime, 8 seconds uptime. Oh, that's... Okay, that's good. What else? Yeah, so, crit chance is really, really good and strong. Broken? Yeah, probably. You can get 100%, that is. Adaptive chest. I'm very bad at these. Nice. I was gonna trying to grab whatever was next, but leeching seeds. There's no battle shrine back here. I need the battle. I need to battle enemies for the cash. I say, passing over like thousands of enemies. Okay, yoink. Oh boy, a 3rd war banner. I think this is the point where it actually gets like kinda decent. I did that right before the Ocular HUD procced. Okay, I'm halfway there. Hello, Elder Lemurian. Goodbye, Elder Lemurian. Come on, there's gotta be battle shrine somewhere. Or shrine combat, whatever. Oh, there's the shrine combat. Please summon something that gives me a lot of cash. Imps. Well. And goodbye. Okay. This does not give me... Oh, well. Holy crap, that was a lot of cash. I was wrong. Thank you. Okay. Goodbye. Ah, oh boy. Time for a guaranteed red. Well, these are rares. Oh, Nukahana's opinion. That is not too good, saying I only have the feature. But that's still really cool. Wait a minute, there's a healing chest right up here. So I can get something really good. And I got Monster Tooth. Okay, well. And I got Chrono Bobble. Oh boy, I'm getting some real good items here. That's a barrel. You know, okay, one sec, there's a chest right down here. That has not been grabbed. Second Berserker Baldric. Oh boy. More attacks hit something. There we go. And now everything else dies. Actually, one sec. I'm gonna use that against the boss. Okay. Oh boy, it's mad. Gotta wait for my Ocular HUD to finish charging. 3, 2, 1, and dead. Wait, I missed. Wait, give me a sec, okay. Okay, it's still dead. Oh, but whose death is the question? Is it going to be mine or theirs? I currently don't know. Hopefully not mine. Go, Ronaldo, or Kudaros. That's not an turn myself. Okay, I was surrounded. Didn't know what to do. I still don't know what to do currently. I'm pretty sure I'm doing well. I don't know, though. I'm not sure. Oh, am I going to die here? Yes. Goodbye to myself. Well, that was a pretty good run. Well, not really that good of a run, but it was a decent enough run. So yeah.